For Indian students, the two most common, most popular US-based accounting and finance qualifications are the US CPA and the US CMA. Now, what is the reason of people pursuing these two? What's the difference and what should you do? First of all, if this is the first time I'm visiting the channel, then please do subscribe. We create a lot of videos such as this to help you make a career in the field of finance and accounts. If there's any value from this video, leave us a like and please do share it with others who are confused as well. US CPA is equivalent to the Indian CA, obviously of the US. US CPA is recognized worldwide. Not only can you pursue it from India and then stay in India with a career in CPA, or you pursue it here and then go to US, go anywhere else, it's all applicable. It has its own challenges, primarily the biggest one being A, the eligibility criteria is quite tight, right? Everyone can just start it like most of the other qualifications. And B, you have to have some basic thought processes set as to which state you want to register. It's not like India where it's homogeneous across the country, where if you're a CA in India, you're a CA, whether it's in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, doesn't matter. In US, depending on which state. So you just have to have that thought process. But beyond that, US CPA, it's a superb qualification, very well recognized. People have made entire careers on that and you can do it literally from anywhere in the world. It is a little expensive for the time duration because you can complete the entire CPA in a year and it comes to around 4 to 5 lakh rupees total. But that includes everything. And like I said, guys, always, if you invest 4 to 5 lakhs, worst case scenario, you have to make up for it within the next year. All of that is possible. Coming to US CMA. US CMA, again, please guys, watch the videos we made already in depth for both CPA and CMA. But quickly, CMA is all about management accounting. Management accounting is the subject which I really enjoy when I look at chartered accounting. It's about how do I make decisions with finance and accounting numbers, but not for any compliance or statutory or external reporting. It's for me to make better business decisions. So CMA is a superb qualification. It has blown up in India over the last couple of years. And I really urge you guys to at least have a detailed look at it before saying yes or no. Similarly, like US CPA, CMA is worldwide recognized. You can give it from India and work in India or go anywhere else. You can complete, again, CMA qualification in a year or even lesser. People have completed it in 6 months. The total cost is actually less than, or rather it is 1.5 to 1.8 lakhs. It's lesser than 2 lakhs. And as always, you can always make up for it. So these are the gist of the two. Now, what should you do? Well, first of all, it depends on when you're watching this video. If you're in college, which I know most of our audience might be from, you will have to pursue CMA because the eligibility for that is post grade 12. And if you're a graduate and you do meet the eligibility criteria for CPA, but you're confused, then I would leave it to you to figure out why is it that you want to pursue the two. And if you're still confused, then I would probably say do CMA because it is less tedious than CPA. It's better to have a qualification in your pocket and then move with your career and simultaneously put effort in CPA, because depending on one qualification which is difficult and having all bets over there might give you the advantage of a year or two in time, which I really appreciate, because if you complete it, you can quickly move ahead in your career. But you might as well do CMA because that has almost the same value, but there's a much higher chance you'll complete it faster. So that's the balance that I would tell most of you guys to keep. Lastly, many people do CMA first and then CPA because you always have the ability to do both. And why not? Especially if you start your career in CMA, you have your first qualification in your pocket and you start working. And in a year or 2 or 3, you realize what the value of CPA is and how you can move up in your career by having CMA plus adding CPA to your profile. In that case, you can pursue CPA later, and that's how you basically once again move up in life, move up in your career, and hopefully you made the right career choices by not being confused, by not procrastinating out of lack of clarity. But videos like this, information like this can help you guys take that final call and probably do CMA first and then CPA, or dive into either of them individually based on what your journey is.